Hey guys, and welcome to Everything Paradise. Today we will be doing how does the microwave affect slime? So let's get inside. So I have everything set up so you don't have to wait. Here we have our plate. And right here we have our microwave. So, guys, just right here I'm doing 10 seconds. So, ready? Just gonna press stir. This one. You can see the countdown. Okay. That's good. Okay. And as you can see, looks pretty normal. And let's go outside to check it out. And it looks shimmerier than normal. So that's a first. So okay. So this is the slime and I'm picking it up. Ow. That is burning. Ow. Inside it feels like it melted for some reason. And it's really hot. Jesus Christ. It's really hot. And like I think this is super hot. Really nice texture. It actually affected it. It affected it in the way that it's hot. And it stretches a lot more. And it's more softer. It's not firm or anything. So that's really nice. So yeah, that's how it affected like the texture or whatever. And sadly I have to end this video, but before I end this video, comment down below like what should I fix? Should I make videos inside? Should I I don't know, have more lighting in the back? Like, should I do them in the morning? Should I do them in the afternoon? So maybe you guys should comment down below. And I'm changing the squad. And comment down below what should I change the squad name to, because Everything Paradise Squad is like really long. So right now, for now, I'm gonna say it, but when you guys comment down below, I will pin that comment and then I will use it. So bye, Everything Paradise Squad.